job, everyone, on your homework. We had so many more. I'm really proud of you guys. Good job, Noob, Simon, Sal, Kui, Michael, Kaki, Jenny, Zuiming, Dami, and Bo. Everyone else, make sure you do your homework. All right, let's share. Great job, everyone. Let's start with Zuimin.
Hello everyone, my name is Zuiming, and today I will talk about shark. This picture shows a mommy shark and 3 baby shark. The same thing is the number of eyes and the gills. The offspring inherited the gills and the fins, but they didn't inherit the color, skin color. Its variety is the skin color.
All right, excellent job. Thank you. I liked you going through its inherited and not inherited traits. That was some excellent information about the shark and its traits. Okay, good job, Zoimin. Thank you. Let's have Bo go next. All right.
Hello, everybody. My name is Bo. I am a student at Evergreen School. My class is 310, and today I will show you a baby animal and its parents. This is a tadpole, and its parents is a frog. The same thing is it has different color and different shape. Frog live on ground, and tadpoles live in water. Frog have legs, but tadpoles don't. Frog don't have tail, but tadpoles have. Tadpoles have gills, but frogs have lungs. The frog is green and tadpoles are gray.
Excellent job. All right. Next, we have Jenny.
Hi everybody, my name is Jenny. I'm from class 310. Today I want to tell about penguin. This dad, this mom, and this is offspring. They have bill, they have eye, they have flipper-like wing. They have wet feet and they have belly. Offspring is different from its parent. When it grows up, its fur will change into black and white.
Very good. So when it grows up, its fur will change into black and white. But as a baby, it looks different from its parents. It's gray. Excellent job. All right, we have one more. Thank you, Jenny. The last one we're going to show today, maybe we'll show a different one tomorrow, is Kui. Kui's been doing an excellent job on all of his homework, doing it every week. And I haven't shown his video the last 2 weeks. So today, Kui, you are our spotlight student. Let's take a look at your video, Kui.
Hello everyone, my name is Vika. I am from class 2E9. Today I will tell you a difference in the same of a mother tiger and a baby tiger. Here, this is a picture of a two tiger. The tiger live in many places. It lives in China, Russia, Bangladesh, Northeastern India, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Indonesia.
Excellent.
Baby tiger does not look like their mom and dad because the mom is white, but the baby tiger is not. The baby tiger is gray, and it is smaller than the mother. The mother then sticks the stripe to its baby. It's right here. The baby has fur, eyes, ear, tail, nose, like its mom and dad. Here's eyes, here ears, here nose, here tail, and here is a fur. Fur is gray.
All right, good job, Kui. Also, excellent drawing. I saw on your drawing for birds that you did for your reading homework. All right, so just real quick, your book reports. Here's everyone that's turned in their book reports. Obviously, it's not mandatory, but it's good practice. I see some beautiful drawings here from Michael, Dami. Very, very good job. You guys, Dami and Michael, and I saw Quiz earlier. Make sure you guys are doing them because they're great, great practice. Wildlife, animals, the secret life of sea turtles. We are getting into some really exciting information this week about wild animals that are endangered, that might go away forever. The one we're going to focus on is sea turtles. And you guys are going to take what we learn about sea turtles and teach me about other endangered wildlife. So I'm really excited to learn more about these endangered animals. I hope you are too. All right, everyone, open quizzes. Go to joinmyquiz.com. Be ready to play a game. You're going to have 5 minutes to take this quiz. Let's see what you already know. All right, everyone, go ahead and play. Go ahead and play. Let's see who's got it. Ming Kwan and Ming Huang, you guys are at number 1 so far. Keep it going. Dami, Kaki, Kiwi, you guys have all answered number 1 correctly. Zoimin, amazing. Keep going, guys. Leo, very good. Oh no, Ming Kwan, you got 1 question wrong. Keep it up, guys. Don't worry, we haven't learned any of this. This is just to see what you already know. Ming Kwan, you're doing so well. You got 4 in a row. 1, we have Dami in first, Kiwi in second, Min Huang in third, Kwang Hai in 4th, and Leo took over for 5th. Nice, look at that. Great job, guys. Most people struggled with question 5 and question 7. All right, sea turtles are, which one are sea turtles? Let's say it together, ready? 1, 2, 3. Nice. Reptiles, okay. How many species of sea turtle are there? Simon?
I think it's 7 because when I do it first, I already get wrong with this answer.
Got it. Let's see. Oh, you were right, Simon. Good job. All right. Where do sea turtles live? Leo.
Ocean.
Ocean. Nice job. One of our top 5. What do sea turtles eat? What do they eat? Kaki.
Jellyfish, seaweed, crabs, shrimp, snails, eagle.
Good. That last word's pronounced algae. Can you say algae?
Algae.
Good. Thank you, Kaki. How many eggs do sea turtles lay? Kwang Hai.
About 110.
Nice. Another top 5 right there. Great job, Kwang Hai. About 110 eggs. So many. And they can lay eggs 5 to 6 times a year. That's almost 600 eggs in 1 year from one turtle. Amazing. All right. What is the largest known type of sea turtle? Michael.
Leatherback sea turtle.
Excellent. The leatherback sea turtle. Thank you, Michael. Great work. Where do sea turtles lay their eggs? Cindy, do you know?
In the sand.
Good job. Nice work, Cindy. All right. Good job. I think it was the number ones that got people. The numbers are hard to know. Good job, everybody. Let's go back to our PowerPoint. Here we have a video, the life of a sea turtle. Let's just take a look. Where are they swimming? What are they eating? What do we see in their habitat? I want everyone to make some observations about this video. Here we have them at night. What do you think they do during the night versus during the day? How do they move? What do they have on their bodies? Everyone think of a couple of really good scientific questions. What are some good scientific questions we can ask about this video? What do we think it's doing in the sand? Oh, what is that bird doing? All right, while we keep watching, who has a scientific question for me so far? Kaki, go ahead, Kaki.
Why does the sea turtle lay so many eggs?
Excellent. Why do they lay so many eggs? I wonder if maybe it has something to do with what we saw after, with the bird and the lizard, right? Katie, do you have another good question to ask?
Why the sea turtle don't lay eggs in the water, but they lay eggs in the sand?
Great question. Why do they lay eggs in the water? Also, sorry I missed this. Real quick, let's take a look. Here are the 7 kinds of sea turtles. Green turtle, leatherback, Kemp's Ridley, flatback, hawksbill, olive ridley, and loggerhead. So we've seen some predators. We saw them lay eggs in the sand. We saw the babies walk around. Here are the different kinds, right? The Kemp's Ridley and this one, they're all different sizes, different colors. Who has an observation about how these sea turtles are different? Chi.
Some turtles are large, some are small.
Good, very good job. Simon, you have another one?
I want to say that why the sea turtles the sea turtle mommy do not understand and they go in the ocean, so they let the babies could get eaten.
Yeah, that's a great point. Excellent job, Simon. The babies could get eaten, so why don't they lay them in the ocean? Just because they're reptiles. They can't lay them in the ocean because the eggs need to grow where there's oxygen, not where there's water. What were the people just doing? Raise your hand. Kiwi?
They are taking the turtle egg.
Yeah, why? Why do you think?
To sell it.
To sell it? Maybe. I hope not. Maybe though. Teddy, do you have an observation or a question?
The turtle is very big and colorful.
Yeah, excellent. They're very big and colorful. Kwang Hai, what do you have to add?
I think the people took it for a more shallow place to the egg grow.
Yeah, maybe the people took it to another place to keep them safe.
But if a kind man, it will do that, but mean man will not do that. It will sell it or eat it.
Yes, exactly. A kind man would do that. A mean man might sell it or eat it. Thank you, Kwang Hai. Let's get one more really good scientific question. Zoe Min, go ahead. Question or observation?
Why do sea turtles have different colors?
Excellent. Why do they have different colors? Right? They all look different. Why? Zoe Min, that was an excellent question. Thank you. Okay. Moving on. Are sea turtles ancient animals like dinosaurs? What do we think? Hands up.
No.
No? All right, we have one no. Let's see what this says. Maybe someone could read this for me. Who can read this for me? Raise your hand. All right, let's have Teddy.
Sea turtles have been around for a very long time. They were around when dinosaurs walked on Earth.
Excellent job. Thank you, Teddy. They were around when the dinosaurs were around. There weren't monkeys yet, there weren't people, but there were sea turtles, ancient animals. Thank you, Teddy. What type of animal is it? I think we've already said this. Harry, pay attention, please. All right, let's say it on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Reptile.
Very good. Reptile. Ruby, make sure you're saying the answer out loud too. What are some characteristics of sea turtles? So we've said it's a reptile. We've seen a video. Who can tell me some characteristics? Donnie?
Scales.
Scales. Excellent job. Who's got another one? Nuna?
They have shells.
Excellent job. They have shells. Kwang Hai. Go ahead, Kwang Hai.
They have long scales.
Very good. Scales. Simon, do you have one?
They have 4 fins, and the bottom of them are lighter. The bottom is darker, and the top one are lighter.
Excellent job. They have fins. The bottom, the lighter and darker, right? Maybe that's for camouflage. What other characteristics do they have? Khaki?
They lay eggs on sand.
Excellent. They lay their eggs on sand. Zoimin?
They have different colors.
Different colors. Excellent job. All right, guys, that was a really good start. We said they have scales and a shell. They lay eggs. They have 4 legs or flippers. They swim or they crawl on the sand. Excellent job. And they breathe through lungs. Here we have their 4 flippers. Their 4 flippers. Other reptiles have legs. Why do turtles have flippers? Min Long, why do sea turtles have flippers?
If they don't have flipper, they cannot go on the sand. So.
Yeah, good. It helps them go on the sand. If they had fins, they couldn't crawl on the sand. If they had legs, they couldn't swim. Flippers are the perfect combination of legs and fins. They have 4 flippers. And just like you guys said, they lay eggs in the sand. And then the baby turtles can crawl out and go to the water. All right, what characteristics belong to the sea turtle? A, scales, fins, lay eggs in water. B, shell, live in water, lay eggs in the sand. C, shell, scales, live on land. Or D, who can answer? Everyone please answer in the chat. Nice. All right, good job, everyone. The answer is B. Who can read this out loud for me? Good. They have a shell, they live in water, and they lay eggs in the sand. Great job. All right, let's see. You guys had some reading yesterday about the life cycle of a turtle. Let's see what you remember. What happens here at the very first stage? Kui?
The egg had a baby turtle.
Excellent job. Kui is always so good about doing his homework. Baby sea turtles called hatchlings crawl to the sea. So the egg hatches and the sea turtle crawls out. What happens at the next one right here? Zoimin, go ahead.
It grows.
It grows. Yes, it spends 10 years eating and growing. 10 whole years. All right, what happens next? What happens next? Michael, or Hacker?
Grow up.
It grows up, good. That's a good way of putting it. Once they've grown to the size of a dinner plate, the young sea turtle returns to the areas along the coast to feed and finish growing. So after 10 years, it goes back to the coast so it can keep feeding and finish growing. What happens after that? Michael?
It will go to the sand or the coastline to reproduce, and then it will go back.
Excellent. So let's stop there. First, it goes right up close to the sand to reproduce. So first, adult sea turtles travel to mating areas near beaches and they mate. They reproduce. Great vocabulary, Michael. What's the very last thing that happens? What's the last thing? Let's see. Kwang Hai, go ahead.
And they lay egg.
Excellent. Perfect. They lay their eggs. And then the females return to the same beach where they were born. They dig a nest in the sand to protect the egg. They lay their egg, and then they return to the coastal waters. So they stay near the coast in case they want to lay more eggs. Sometimes sea turtles travel really far just to lay their eggs. The leatherback sea turtle can swim up to 16,000 kilometers. 16,000 kilometers just to go back to their nesting ground and lay their eggs. About how far does the green turtle travel to lay its eggs?
2,000 years.
Very good, everybody. 2,000 kilometers, that's still really far. So they travel back and forth between the places they feed and eat and the places they lay eggs. Here's another cool fact. When eggs hatch, this is how it determines which ones are male and which ones are female. When the turtle lays its eggs, they don't have any gender at all. When a turtle lays its eggs, they're not male or female. The colder eggs, so the eggs on the bottom in the cool sand turn into male. The hot eggs, so the eggs on top where it's sunny, turn into female. So the gender of the sea turtles is decided by where it is, how hot or cold it gets. So this egg on top, if this egg was sitting on top like this, would it be a male or a female? Let's say it as a class. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Female.
Good, a female, because it gets hot on the sand above 29 degrees Celsius, so it turns into a female. Great work. All right, let's watch a quick video about the life cycle.
Sea turtles return. Turtle begins when female sea turtles return to the shore to lay their eggs. They come between dusk and dawn, laying anywhere between 100 to 200 eggs per nest, and can lay several nests over the course of a season.
So they lay 100 to 200 eggs in a nest, and they can lay 5 to 6 nests in a season. So many eggs. Someone asked why. Why do they lay so many eggs? Keep thinking about that question.
The sea turtle eggs incubate in the sand for 45 to 50 days, depending on the species of turtle. During this time, the temperatures of the nest determine whether the hatchlings will be male or female. Hatching is an exhausting process for the baby turtles. After breaking out of their shells, they must dig their way out of the nest, then crawl to the safety of the ocean, all of which requires frequent breaks. For this reason, the safest time for hatchings to occur is at night, when predators are least likely to attack. The young sea turtles that survive hatching will travel around subtropical waters, searching for food. During this time, they must avoid attack from predators and run-ins with fishermen and their nets. It takes anywhere from 10 to 20 years for turtles to reach maturity, depending on the species. It is estimated that less than 10% of sea turtles that hatch will reach maturity and lay their eggs.
All right, I have a question. So I want to know, when is it determined if they are male or female? When is it determined if they're male or female? For humans, for us, it happens during reproduction. When are they determined male or female? Zoimin?
How hot they could be and how cold.
Excellent. How hot or cold the eggs are. How about what time of day do the hatchlings go to the water? What time of day? Dami?
Night.
Night. Very good. Where do adult females go after they lay their eggs? Sea. Good. They go to the coastal waters. How long can sea turtles live? How long do Hacker, how long do sea turtles live?
100 years.
Excellent job. 100 years. Nice. Teddy?
Eat and grow.
Excellent job, Teddy. All right, their serrated jaw helps them chew on algae and seagrass. See how it's serrated? Can everyone say the word serrated? Yes, thank you, Teddy. Thank you, Dami. Let's say together on 3, serrated. 1, 2, 3.
Serrated.
Very good. It helps them eat. It helps them eat jellyfish. Jellyfish is their favorite snack. It helps them eat this. Let's say this together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. Shrimp and crab. Thank you, Jenny. What is this? Let's say it together on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No.
Good. Here's the last one. 1, 2, 3.
Seaweed.
Good. Excellent job. Jellyfish, shrimp and crab, seaweed. Sea turtles, beware, jellyfish or plastic. Why do you think sea turtles eat so much plastic? Kaki, why do sea turtles eat so much plastic?
Because people throw plastic in the ocean and sea turtle eat it.
Yes, but why do you think they go for the plastic?
Because they think the jellyfish the plastic is the jellyfish.
Excellent job. They think the plastic is a jellyfish. It looks almost the same. Where is the sea turtle's habitat? We saw in the picture, this is where they are spread out in the world, the dark blue. There's so many different places. They're all through the ocean. But they live in the coastal areas near the grasses, right? Shallow coastal water with lush seagrass. Seagrass is where the crabs live. Seagrass is where the snails live. All right, so in the seagrass, they have all their food supply and they can camouflage, right? But the babies live on land. They have different habitats depending on their life stage, out in the ocean, near the beach. Here's your homework. What are some endangered animals? I want you to pick one endangered animal and draw it. All right, so draw. There are so many endangered animals. There's bees, there's butterflies, there's turtles, cheetahs, koala bears, giraffes, okay? So do some research, pick an endangered animal, and I want you to write what animal group it belongs in, its habitat, and its diet. So write 3 things. All right, there will also be a quizzes sent to your email. All right, before we go, I want everyone to show me, how does a sea turtle move on the ground? I want to see you all do it. How does a sea turtle move on the sand? Let's see it.
I think.
How does it move on the sand? Can you show me? Kwang Hai, nice. Yes, Michael, nice. Katie, excellent job, Katie. Great work. Yes. That's all, everybody. Good job today. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure you do your homework, okay? Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.